Around the world, there are more jobs in STEM and the computer sciences than there are qualified candidates to fill them. What causes this gap? Why aren't more students pursuing an interest in these fields? Students may not realize the multitude of offerings available. There's also a lack of understanding of what goes into becoming a STEM or computer science professional. At TCS, we are dedicated to interrupting this pattern. Go IT, Go Innovate Together, our no-cost digital innovation and career readiness program, prepares all students with the skills, confidence, and mindsets to pursue careers of the future. Students traditionally underrepresented in STEM fields are introduced to opportunities in careers they may have otherwise not even known existed. With free tools, models, and resources, students around the world work with TCS industry experts, designing tech-based solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems, all while being introduced to the vast world of opportunities in STEM and the computer sciences. Through interactions with industry-designed content and mentorship from global business leaders and STEM professional volunteers, students not only realize that STEM and the computer sciences are a viable option, but 95% of Go IT students now say they want to pursue a career in these fields. Join this worldwide movement. Let's inspire more students to enter the STEM pipeline. Bring Go IT to the students in your school and community today.